y'all the nighttime POV with the 2 hardest charges in the United States.
For real, it is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
Sliding these beats, V8 the motor. Take the tune out, track out, zoom off. These niggas hate that I'm bad niggas threw off. I say the word and he blasting you crew off. Double G Bell nigga, shout out to Snoop Dogg. These bitches can't tell the truth. Reach, you gon' feel it, your soul get pierced. Niggas switching like Ray. Feel like Rondo, I been in LA. Got niggas to hoop on. But bitch, you ain't getting no money. I'm chasing racks, Sunday to Sunday. Bluetooth bullets, pineapple onions. Stay down, come up.
Out YouTube, man. This the perfect way to start my vlog. Check him out, man. He got his whole head out the window. Hey, man, but as y'all see, we are on the way to LA. We already in California. I don't know where we at though, to be honest. But I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we get to LA, man. I just wanted to show y'all a dude sticking his head out the window like that.
3:28 a.m.
We starting this video off, man. We starting this video off with sirens and putting gas in the DRIFTSCAT, as y'all see. We're on 4 right now. You know what I'm saying? So we finna take that thing out. No diddy. So as y'all see by the title, man, and what I have in my hand, we are giving y'all a nighttime 360 POV drive. Everybody do the POV drives where you just hold the camera like this. But today, on SRTJD channel, we gonna switch it up, man. We throwing the old stuff out the window, we bringing in the new stuff. So, man, I done pulled up, got some food. My boy came in the cat, man, y'all already know. Got the 360 cam rolling back here. Y'all can't even see nothing through my tent, but we finna get this content for y'all, man. Y'all see we in sport mode with that traction off. Y'all already know what it is. Let's go. Yes, sir. Big cat, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm gonna keep it a buck, man. I did not think we was gonna start this video off this lit, but y'all see it, bro. Like, we bringing y'all the best content. to say, we going through the airport right now. I did not know we was coming through here, bro. This is crazy work. Look at her. It's okay, man. We're leaving. I'm sorry. see, man, we got y'all the nighttime POV with the 2 hardest chargers in the United States, man. This the best duo out. Y'all gotta show me better, I'm just saying. But this is coming to the end of this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep God first. Chase y'all dreams. SRTJD out.
Sliding these beats, V8 the motor. Take the tune out, track out, zoom off. These niggas hate that I'm bad niggas threw off. I say the word and he blasting you crew off. WG nigga, shout out to Snoop Dogg. These bitches can't tell the truth. Reach, you gon' feel it, your soul get pierced. Niggas switching like Ray. Feel like Rondo, I been in LA. Got niggas to hoop on. But bitch, you ain't getting no money. I'm chasing racks, Sunday to Sunday. Bluetooth bullet.